Losing privacy is actually one of the scary things that can happen to anyone out there. Losing privacy in a sense that a lot of companies actually hold your personal information in their database. Personal information like age, phone number, house address, phone numbers of your friends and relatives, and also maybe your BVN also, and which is entirely not your fault because a lot of these apps out there require you to sign in with your email and personal information in order to be able to access the full features of those apps. And you'll find out that a lot of them you've actually forgotten that you've actually signed into these apps there. And what I would like to point out here is that you can't actually um, get rid of your private information from your app by deleting it. A lot of us think that by deleting a particular app, we've actually removed our information from those apps, which is actually not so. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to find out those sites in which you've signed in and how to retrieve your private data from those sites or app. It's Joshua, and this is Apex Tips and Trends. In order for you to be able to get your information or personal data from the companies you must have logged in with it, you have to use the website or app called SayMineapp.com. It's a website. You have to log into SayMineapp.com. So what you just have to do is to open your browser and type the SayMineapp.com. Then sign in with your Google. Sign in with Google. Then you pick one of your Google accounts, sign in with it. So it's going to load for some time, and after it's done loading, it's going to give you the details of all the companies that are holding your data. From this email I actually use, I've actually been using this email for a very long time. So it shows that I have 174 companies holding my data. Or so in order to do this, you have to click on see which company. So it's going to show you all the companies that holds your data. So you can see I have so many companies right here. So in order for me to get back my personal data from these companies, all I just have to do is click reclaim. And by clicking reclaim, they're automatically going to send a message to this company telling them that I want my personal information removed from their site. Once it's done with that, and they are going to keep track of the information there to find out if the company has actually removed your information from their site. They are going to do all the work for you and make sure your information is actually removed from the database of this particular company. With that said, if you've actually gained a lot from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and also drop a comment.